Today is March 8th, 2019, and I believe I'm going to try to fix this window today if I have all the parts. The sun is out. It was supposed to rain, so I'm grateful for the sun. But before we get started, I have to say hi to my gal pal, Medusa. Medusa. See my gal? Hi, see my gal? Is she my gal? Yes. Oh, gee, good girl. Oh, gee, good girl, Medusa. She snorts like a little pig. Yes, she does. She snorts like a little pig. Oh, she's so cool. Medusa's funny. She's not my dog. She belongs to one of the tenants here. We frown on people tying their dogs up. However, these people have to work, and she is a good guard dog. Aren't you? Yes, I'm a good guard dog. I will smack my body on you. So, Medusa. She's so cute. So cute. And she goes into protective mode when I come back here, which is kind of funny. Because, like I said, she's not my dog, but we have a great relationship. They have tiny little screws, which I don't have. Go figure. So I need to go get some tiny little screws. And I hope I have the full frame. Let's go back to storage and see. The storage on the RV, that is. It's still kind of swampy back here. Ugh. Ick, ick, ick. Look at that, that's nasty. Mud, mud, mud. I believe that is the screen for that window. And, alright, here is my window. And here is the piece I had cut. Yes, it has the bottom frame on it. And I have a frame for this window. So yes, I will be able to fix this. I just have to go get some little screws. Darn it, there's always a setback, isn't there? I don't happen to have any little tiny screws like that. Okay, I'll be back. This other window that is in my storage is actually where the AC was installed. I will leave the AC in. I would like a bathroom window. However, I will leave the AC in to test it this summer and see if I need it or not. If I don't need it, I'll take it out. If I do need it, I'll leave it and just keep the window in storage. And yes, I do believe this is the screen for the broken windows. I'll put everything back and shut this up and get to work. And guess what? I am in luck. The screws are still on the windows. Awesome. I think I'll clean these up before I install them. That might be the dirt that keeps the water out, though. You never know. So what's going on is they bent some of the aluminum. That one's okay, but yeah, anyhow, yeah, just to tell you, they bent some of the aluminum. The gaskets won't go back on correctly. I am going to just take these to a window shop that does aluminum work and have them reset them back into the frames and straighten up the frames. I am exhausted. I'm frustrated. I thought I had help today, but my help left. And I'm just frustrated today, so I just wanted to show you this side of it as well, because it's not always easy. And it's humid as heck today. It's 71% humidity. That doesn't help either. So I'm calling it a day. I got discouraged today. Didn't, for once, the Silver Streak has kicked my butt. And I just feel, I let it get to me. I just feel defeated. I mean, this is just a feeling. It'll pass. But I was trying to fix the windows, and I am not able to fix the windows. So, these were the windows that the EMS broke. And I bought new glass. I took it to a glass shop. They put new glass in the window. Looks great. However, the frame were somewhat bent up, and the gaskets are old and worn out. And I thought, okay, I can put the gaskets back on with caulk and slip the frame over it. Nope, not gonna work. So anyhow, that's where we're sitting now. And I swear, the weather is kicking my butt. The rains are kicking my butt. And now the Twinkie's kicking my butt. Oh, my poor butt. Bye. Peace. And all that. Laters.